I'm not kidding when I say this is one of the worst running conditions I've ever been in. Holy Fortnite.
This is me running 2 years ago, before I inevitably failed the sub 3-hour marathon. I've always enjoyed good stories, and filming them with my camera. Who doesn't love a comeback story? Right now I'm chasing the sub 3-hour marathon, which is 26.2 miles at 6:52 pace. Distance running fascinates me, how it shapes the body and the mind. In this series, I plan to share the highs and lows of training. Alright, let's get into the Weekly Breakdown. Alright, thank you again, Caleb, for that lovely introduction. This is actually going to be a little bit of a down week, so Monday's off. And Tuesday, we're going to do 2 easy, plus some striders. Wednesday's also off. Thursday is 4 easy miles. Friday is going to be 3 miles at tempo pace, a little bit harder, and 1 mile cool down. Saturday's also going to be off. And then Sunday we're going to do a little bit of a long run at 8 miles, but this week's going to be only a total of 18 because the previous weeks I've been over 30 and I need a little rest. It's Tuesday. Might be cooked because I left my running shoes. All I got are my spikes. I'm about to get poured on. I can tell. I got that sense, man. I was right. I'm getting poured on. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm getting poured on. The shoes. They got me. They got me. Oh, just started raining harder. All right, that's 2 miles, ladies and gentlemen. And that's the workout. Just an easy 2 today because your boy forgot his shoes. So, hey, tomorrow, stay tuned. We have a little possible group run. And then I'm probably gonna have to do some extra because I gotta get 8 tomorrow. It's Thursday. Run club was canceled because tornado warnings, so. That place just took my soul. I did 4. It's just freaking so humid in there and I was dying. And after a long day of running around, it's like, whew, the legs, bro. So hopefully tomorrow's better. It's Friday. I'm literally getting rained on again, unfortunately. It's, I think, the longest day of the year today. How about that? No time for chit chat because it's already like 8:30 and your boy's got to get going. Well, it's pouring again. I cannot believe how many of my runs have just been. Oh, it's lightning too. Might have to turn around early, guys. I don't know. You're not gonna believe it, guys. Found some little baby raccoons. Guys, I need to get past. Guys, frick, where's the mom? Guys, I need to get past. Come on, guys. What do I do? All right, I'm gonna just run really fast past them. All right. Sorry, guys. Well, that was weird. Weird run so far, guys. Little baby raccoons, thunder and lightning. It's a wild ride out here. Let's keep her going. I'm not kidding when I say this is one of the worst running conditions I've ever been in. Holy Fortnite. So we're just doing 4. I actually feel really good. But the weather, you can't beat the weather. And I'm not. I'll see you guys back there. I'm locked in as frick. I gotta make it back.
Lightning flashing everywhere. I think I shit my pants. Let's go, baby. All right, 3 miles hard, 1 mile cool down at the end. Take it or leave it, guys. Oh man, that was a little scary. All right, we're back in the car. Heck yeah, brother. Something that might be a down week, but yeah. Well, it's Sunday, and I got the Gatorade because it was like 90 degrees today. And it's still like 84. I'm running late at night. Not that late because it's still light out, but 8 miles, baby. Let's get after it. Got the Gatorade. That's gonna get annoying, but beautiful night. There's a choo-choo train coming. I don't know if y'all can hear that. So it's gonna ruin my shots a little bit, but there's also a big pond over here. Right there. Pretty cool. Quick little running thoughts with Caleb here. I realized how much time we as a society spend in taking media. And it really shapes your personality, all the stuff you intake. So my little tidbit for everybody out there is make sure what you're watching is good stuff for your soul. And two, what I did today, which really helped, just get away from it. Turn it off. Go for a run, read a book, get your stuff done for the day. And you find you start to understand who you are way better than when you're constantly distracted. So anyways, just a couple of thoughts. Halfway there, 4 miles deep. Let's lock in. 4 to go. Let's get it. Ooh, spooky. That's actually kind of cool. That's 8 miles. That's the week. A little bit of a down week. Sorry, I got the flash on, so I can't see anything. A little bit of a down week though. Thanks for watching. I'm really sweaty right now, so see you next week.